Notion versus OneNote. Which one is the best app to organize your life? Whether you're managing tasks, taking notes, or planning projects, we'll break down their features, strengths, and key differences to help you choose the right one. So let's dive in. First up would be Notion. Launched in 2016, Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool designed for note-taking, project management, and knowledge organization. Think of it as a customizable digital workspace where you can create anything from simple notes to complex databases. Notion's standout features include blocks-based structure, databases, templates, and integration-friendly. Among its pros would be highly customizable, great for both personal and team productivity, beautiful, minimal interface. Among its cons would be it can be overwhelming for new users and it has a limited offline functionality. If you love flexibility and building your own productivity system, Notion is for you. Now let's talk about OneNote. Part of the Microsoft 365 suite, OneNote is a digital notebook designed for note-taking, organizing ideas, and collaborating with others. It's been around since 2003, making it a trusted tool for students, professionals, and everyday users. OneNote offers notebook structure, handwriting and drawing tools, audio and video notes, and integration with Microsoft 365. Among its pros would be a simple, familiar notebook layout, excellent for handwritten notes, and strong offline functionality. Among its cons would be less customizable compared to Notion and limited project management features. If you prefer a traditional note-taking experience with powerful Microsoft integration, OneNote is a solid choice. So which one should you choose? Choose Notion if you want a customizable productivity system, project management tools, databases, and flexible content organization. Choose OneNote if you need a traditional note-taking app, great handwriting and drawing features, and reliable offline access and Microsoft 365 integration. At the end of the day, both apps are fantastic. It just depends on how you like to organize your life. Which one do you prefer, Notion or OneNote? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and app comparisons. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.